Welcome, friends. Join me in this video as I take on the challenge of building a tiny cabin deep in the woods with just my bare hands and a few tools. First, if you enjoy this kind of adventure, please subscribe to this channel and like this video so I can bring you more amazing content. I've always been drawn to the idea of simple living and being closer to nature. There's something about waking up to the sounds of birds and falling asleep under a starry sky that truly captivates me. So I decided to embark on this audacious journey of building a tiny cabin deep in the woods. Throughout this video, you'll see every step of my journey, including all the challenges I faced and the successes I achieved. Finding the perfect location was a major challenge. I wanted a secluded but accessible spot. I spent hours scouring the woods, considering factors like sunlight, water availability, and drainage. It was a tough decision, but I finally fell in love with a spot on a small hill with a stream running nearby. It was so peaceful and beautiful. Next came gathering materials. I wanted to use natural, sustainable materials, but they were hard to come by, so I had to be creative with what was available. I started by collecting fallen wood and rocks and also got permission to cut down some large, old and weak trees to allow new growth. With a simple axe and saw, I began cutting, each blow a testament to my dream. This natural work was a new experience, and I felt nature's touch in every piece. Planning the design was also a huge challenge. I had to create a functional yet comfortable cabin with a minimal footprint. I chose a simple design with a sloping roof and a small porch, sketching out every detail. My daily routine was rigorous, starting at dawn and stopping after dark. Unexpected hurdles arose, like a continuous rain that forced me to scramble to protect the site. I covered everything with a large tarp to prevent the wood from being ruined. It was disheartening, but I persevered, and slowly the cabin took shape. Each nail and piece of wood a mark of my hard work and sweat. The most significant moment was finishing the roof. It was a huge milestone that made the cabin feel real. After extensive research, I found a simple and effective method using a wooden frame and corrugated tin sheets. The feeling of pride and accomplishment when I put up the last sheet was something I had never felt before. Another major moment was installing the windows and doors, allowing light to pour in and revealing the beautiful forest views. I made them myself from old wood pieces to fit the cabin's unique character. Opening the first window and letting in the fresh air and birdsong was an incredible unifying experience. At the end of this journey, I've learned so much about perseverance, creativity, and the importance of community. I've had to problem solve and think on my feet, and it's been an incredible experience. I am thrilled to have completed this project and excited to share it with all of you. I hope this video inspires you to simplify your life, get closer to nature, and try building something with your own hands. This isn't just a cabin, it's my dream realized. I can't wait to sit here and enjoy nature's beauty. If you're interested in tiny living, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Have you ever considered living in a tiny cabin? What are your thoughts on simple living? Let me know, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to watch another video on my channel, I have a great one about off-grid living that I think you'll love. You can click here to watch it at the end of this video.